Sayus from JNV Vana. Today we are here to present our project titled Smart Traffic Management System using Arduino. Traffic congestion is one of the biggest issues faced in the cities today. Traditional traffic light system works on fixed time intervals. For example, 30 seconds for red or green, regardless of how much traffic is actually present. This often causes unnecessary waiting times, fuel wastage, and delays. To overcome this, we have developed a smart and automatic traffic management system that can adjust signal timings dynamically based on real-time traffic conditions using Arduino and ultrasonic sensors. The main objectives of our project is to make the traffic system more efficient, intelligent, and adaptive. Specifically, our goals are to detect the number of vehicles at each junction automatically, to provide the traffic light based on the traffic density of each lane, to provide priority to emergency vehicles like ambulance or fire trucks, and to reduce waiting time, fuel consumption, and road congestion. The main components we have used in this project are Arduino UNO. This acts as a main controller, ultrasonic sensors HCSR0 used to detect the distance and number of vehicles in each lane, LEDs red, yellow, green representing the traffic lights, jumper wires for circuit connections. Optionally, an RFID module can be used for detecting emergency vehicles. Here's how our system works. Each road at the intersection is equipped with an ultrasonic sensor that continuously measures the distance between the sensor and the nearest vehicle. The Arduino collects this data and calculates which lane has the highest traffic density. The lane with more vehicles automatically get a longer signal green, while lanes with fewer vehicles get a shortest green signal. Once time's up, the signal automatically switches to the next line. In the optional version, if an emergency vehicle is detected using an RFID tag, the Arduino immediately turns that lane signal green, giving its priority to pass through safely. The Arduino is programmed using the Arduino IDE. The code uses the sensor readings to measure distance, determine which lane is busier, and then control the LEDs accordingly. The logic is simple. If the distance from the sensor is small, it means more vehicles are present. The program assigns more green light time to that lane. This decision-making process happens automatically and continuously without any manual input. After testing our prototype, we observed that the system successfully detects traffic and adjusts signal timings based on the density. The main advantages of this system are: it reduces unnecessary waiting times, it improves road efficiency, it helps emergency vehicles pass quickly, it can be implemented at a low cost using easily available components. Overall, this makes it a practical and scalable solution for modern cities. In the future, we can plan to upgrade this system using IoT and AI technologies. For example, with IoT integration, traffic data can be monitored in real time from a control room or even from a mobile app. With camera-based vehicle detection, we can improve accuracy and even count the number of vehicles instead of just measuring the distance. Traffic network. To conclude, our smart traffic management system using Arduino is simple yet powerful approach to make our traffic control system more intelligent. It uses real-time data from sensors to make quick and smart decisions, reducing congestion and saving time and fuel. The system is affordable, easy to build, and has great potential to be developed into a full-scale smart city traffic solution. Thank you for your attention.